Jumriepsu and hello to all of you. Welcome to our Healthy Khmer Cooking. Today I want to show you how to cook soybean and rice string. First of all, we have some ingredients like soybean, rice, and water and honey. If you want other sweet, you can put it in. The next thing we need to do is to fry bean and the rice separately. Let's get started. First of all, we need to turn on the fire. Then we put the bean. We fry it until it gets brown, but don't let it burn. So now the soybean is get brown color, so we put it in the bowl. So after that, we need to fry the rice. We turn the fire small, so we fry it so it don't get burn. So we fry it until it get brown also like the bean. So right now the rice get a little bit brown color. I think maybe it's good right now. It's brown color. So we need to turn off the fire. After that, we put in the bowl. So we put it together and mix it well. After that, we grind it with the machine. So let's get started. After that, we close it. Don't let it run away. So we put it into machine. After that, we grind it. So right now it's get to a powder. So we turn it off. So we pour it into the bowl again. Then we put it back to the machine. After this, we need to boil the water, bring the water to boil. Then turn on the fire again. So right now the water is get boiling, so we need to add 1 spoon of powder of each person. 1 spoon, 2 spoons. Then we mix it well. We mix it until it get dissolved together with the water. So Somnang, how does it smell like?
It's good.
Yeah, it smells very good. So right now we boiling it and make it well. So we boiling it just only 5 minutes and let it cool for 5 minutes. So it's a good drink. You want to try, you can do it at your home. It is a good taste and it is an old alternative to coffee. So right now we need to put it in a glass. I want to tell you, if you want to take the powder out of it, you can, but that's good for me. I don't want to take the powder out of it. Can you pass me other cup. So right now we put it in the glass already. So after that we need to put honeys or other sweet in it. If you want sweeter, you can put it much. Just for me, I just want to put it a little bit to make it taste good or better. So now we mix it again. Yes, it tastes very delicious and good. Smells so good. I hope you can make this at home. Thank you and enjoy it.